In this video, you are going to see how to insert footnote in Microsoft Word document. Suppose I want to add the footnote for this word device. So let us click on over here. Then go to reference, and here you will see an option insert footnote. And in the end, you will find an option to write the footnote. Let us write here the description of the device. Device means to mobile phone. Now let us click on outside. Here you will see I have the numbering, and in the end I also have the numbering of the footnote. If I want to apply another footnote, click on over here word, click on insert footnote. Now let us write here word is text, and here you will see the numbering is automatically changed because the this word is before the device. So here you can apply footnote very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.